Right, we're finally back on the bike. A little bit scared, to be honest. I think I've lost about 90% of my fitness over the last month on holidays and whatnot. Had some boys from Australia visiting, drank way too many beers, but here we go, gotta start again. Hope you've all been well. Let's go see some more of London. Probably for the best I haven't been on the bike for the last couple of weeks. London had a bit of a heat wave. I think it was about 36, 37 at its peak. So that would have been a bit of a struggle to ride in, even though I'm from that temperature. Definitely not used to it anymore. Try not to get run over by buses first thing. That'd be a bit of a bummer, wouldn't it? Straight back on the bike, straight back into hospital. Hi. Where are we going today? I don't know. Maybe we can go check out the old cemetery. That's pretty cool. Lots of history there. Nice and foresty. Let's go see how dark it is, because I might have a filter a bit too harsh for today though. Let's have a little gander. See where it leads us. excuse me. All right, here we are. I have a feeling this might have to be another day. It's quite dark. Let me do a quick check how it looks. Okay. It's not too bad. Let's get in and have a look. There's some really, really cool history in here. So it would be cool to have a look, but it might have to be. So far so good. Ah, it's dirt. I forgot it was dirt.
You ain't got the time in front of you, have you?
The time? Yeah, 2 secs. 10:50.
10:50.
Yeah, no worries. Little detour. Let's have a. It's not too bad actually. Yeah, let's do this. This is fun. Not sure about the single speed, the fixie on the single speed on the dirt with the skinny tires, but fuck it. The boys smoking the weed. What better place to do it? I think if I smoked weed in here, I'd get way too paranoid. The zombies are going to come out of the ground because I'm an idiot. Where are we going? Let's go this way. But yeah, it's been a while since I've been in here, but when I'm walking around having a look, I find all this stuff quite interesting. Just reading about people on people's tombstones, seeing the history they had, seeing the messages that were left for them. And I think here you go, it goes back near on, from memory, I'm going to say near on 400, 500 years, maybe even more. It's probably even more actually, thinking of where we are. What can we see? 1850, that's not old. What do we got here? Can't tell. No. Give me some old ones. A lot of East Enders were obviously in the wars, so you have quite a few tombstones from guys who I assume came back and passed away after the war, be it the first or second, and were buried here. I'm not sure if they have commemorative tombstones here for people who passed away and maybe the bodies weren't returned. But yeah, it's definitely a cool place to come if you're ever in the area and you're into, I don't know, not the macabre, I don't know what it is. History, I guess. Nice and peaceful place. Not sure if I'd walk through here at night though. I don't think my balls are that big. 37 and still scared of the dark in a graveyard. Who'd have thought, huh? Who'd have thought? Dun, dun, dun. It's crazy how such good maintenance has been done here for a lot of it. Obviously the older stuff is quite dilapidated. It's like a little rainforest in the middle of the East End. So cool. So cool. Still plenty of space as well. Maybe I'll get buried here one day. I don't know if I'm East End enough just yet. Maybe give me 20 more years. Or probably more than that would be good. But who knows? Who knows? If the beautiful beaches of Australia don't tempt me back sometime soon. Or in the future. Who knows what's next, eh? Which way shall we go? Let's go this way. I think this is a clear signal that I need to get a gravel bike, right? Just have to pull the trigger on it. I'll take any excuse, to be honest. See what the wife says. I'm sure she'll be all for it. Morning. Let's go this way. Choose your own adventure day. Do, 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 do. See if we can find some older gravestones. It's kind of hard when you're zooming past and they're a bit old. Aged 25. 1920. I haven't seen any really old ones in this little ride yet. Maybe I'm in the wrong area. Baker. I wonder if Baker was a baker. Probably. Probably. 1888. Yeah, I swear there's older ones. Either that or I'm just making up stories, which I don't think I am. I hope I'm not. It's got to be around. Need to prove my point now. We're back here. Okay, let's loop through the other way. I'm back. It's beautiful, you too.
So ready stuff number coming in.
Couple of squirrels getting around. Watch where you're going, people. Always look up when you're on your phone. Aye, aye, aye. Squirrel! What are you doing, squirrel? Can we go that way? No, probably not on this bike. Let's not risk it. Don't really feel like walking home today. There's the train tracks. Let's go onto the train tracks. Oh, how do I get out of that with the bike? You're right, mate.